Hey guys, Julie here, back with the video. Today I'm going to be playing Don't Press the Button with my friend Mia, so let's get started. So I have never played this game before, so I'm excited. Whoa, what just happened? Okay, where is Mia? Mia, I'm filming already. Say hi. Okay, let's go. Dude. What? Yes. No! 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 Don't die, don't die, don't die. Got the coin. Get the diamond, get the diamond, get the diamond. Dude, this is actually fun. No! I died. There's Mia. Why is she standing on the button? Dude, why is Mia standing on the button? Time to spam click the button. No! Time's up. Let's see what the reset. The button has been pressed 214 times. Amazing. Okay, get to the top and dodge the incoming boulders. Dude, I didn't have enough time to read that. Mia, this is fun. So, we're in the dead cage. Dude, look at that. That's so cool. Do you guys see that right there? Look at the incoming boulders. Pizza! Oh, so you're supposed to go in those little craters to get saved from getting hit by the ball. Okay, now I understand. Now I understand. Now I understand. I understand now. I really do. Yeah. No one got to the top. Oh, seriously? Is this a galaxy or what? Yeah, it is a galaxy. Dude, this is freaky. Get ready to fight what? Dude, Mia's still in that war, is she? This is getting heavy. Get a best bud already. Yeah. Sometimes I wonder why have crown molding when you could just crown the queen. In what year was the Don't Hurt? 2018, right? No. Get to the end of the road while traffic lights. No! I accidentally moved! That was fun, though. Oh, Mia got exploded, too. Hi, guys. That's my hand right there. Hi! All right. A chef. Okay, let's climb up. Lyndon, the chef, is missing cakes. Who? What? What? The cake has been made. Yum. Get ready to color these tiles. Color these. Dude, blue team's so gonna win. No, you don't. I'm sorry, Mia. I'm not on your team today. We're on different colors. Time's up. Who won? Yes, let's go. Blue team wins. Let's go, baby. Let's go. My team won. Oh, come on. Wait, how do you push them away? There we go. Can you guys even see what's going on? There we go. Now you guys can see what's going on. The lever is hiding somewhere. No! 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 I keep pressing the jump button, but it won't let me. Oh no, the boulder won again. Yeah, we all know what to do this time. Okay, go. Get in, get in. No, Mia, get out, Mia! There we go. No, 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 no. I'm about to get crushed, aren't I? No, that dude's gonna get killed. Okay, go, 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 go. No! Dude, I was doing so good, but then it just ran over me. Dude, that's not fun. Snowstorm has the hot potato. Don't let them pass it to you. Oh, this one again. Oh yeah, Mia and I are on the same team. Let's go, baby. Yeah, let's go, Mia. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We're dominating the red team. Literally dominating. Dude, the blue team's literally dominating the red team right now. Do you see this right now? Do you see this? Do you see this right now? Let's go. Blue team won again. Yes, baby. Let's go, baby. Press button. Dude, Snapstar 513 always finds the button first. Or always gets the prize. Ooh, house. There's a house. What are we doing? Whoa, what? Time to take a picture of the little friends. Can you find the maze before? No, it's a dead end. Oh, this is so frustrating. How do you throw? Tsunami incoming. No! I think we'll let this video go until 30 minutes. So that's in 12 minutes.